guys, it's the Skater Cat, and welcome to another real life video. I actually have face paint on my face. And today we're going to be doing I'm going to be showing you my stuffed animals. So as I've been down here, this is Dolly. She is a dolphin. I think she's a bottlenose dolphin. I got her in Baltimore, the aquarium. I don't know how many feet she is. I think she's like 1 foot or something. This is Lion Maker. I named him after Lion Maker. Lion Maker, if you're watching this, I'll give you a big like. Woohoo! Bye. And this is TY Slush April 30th. His name is Slush. He is TY. This is Mr. Ender. He's in Minecraft Ender Dragon. This is Pouch. Here's Pouch. This is Pouch. See his little baby? Hello. My name is Pouch. This is Smokey. Hello. I haven't named this one yet, but this is Furry. This is Adflack Ducky. And on to these. I don't know if I'm showing it too well. Yeah, like that. Good. And they're gonna be. This is Moonlight. This is Sean. He's Minecraft Sheep. This is Oscar. He's Minecraft Ocelot. This is Leona. She's a TY toy. This is Glamour. She's a TY toy. This is Tasha. She's also a TY toy. This is Callie. She's a Build-A-Bear. Hello. This is Jerry. Hi. What's her name? Libby. When I squish your tummy, it makes a noise. This is Rainbow. This is Hardy Sparkles. He's an Elf Pets. This is Mystic. Yeah, let me check. Mystic. And she has a TY toy. I haven't been doing too many Minecraft videos because I felt like I would take a break a little bit and go off schedule, like a couple real life videos. Yeah. And this is Snowball. Say hi, Snowball. He's a husky. I call him Husky. There you go. Hi. This is Bubblegum. That's Mrs. Whiskers. I think she's on the camera. Let me check. Whoops, I'm trying to get the camera in the right spot. Never mind, but that is Mrs. Whiskers. There's Mrs. Whiskers. Hello. This is Abigail. She is my oldest stuffed animal. She's 8 years old, as I am 8 years old. She is very old, and this is, what's her name? Let's call her Furry 2, as one of my stuffed animals is already named Furry. This is Eddie. He's from St. Thomas. I didn't go, but none of the people did. They're my grandparents. This is Pina. She's my cat, as you see my pets video. This is Seymour. I got him at Point Pleasant Aquarium. It's a good aquarium. You should go there. If you live in New York or out of town or something, you should go there. Well, that's pretty much it for my stuffed animals. I do have a lot, but I just didn't want to show you them all. This one right here, that red one that you're getting a glimpse of, that red one with the cat face, that's Hearts. Then that one, that's Pengy. This is Pengy too. I have a lot of ones that are named the same name. This is Uni. Yeah. So that's it for my stuffed animals video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Peace out.